So we were doing pranayam. So we've done Bhastika. So Bhastika was deep breath in. Today we did Sudarshan Kriya. We did Agnisar. So we'll continue with the breathing exercises. So where was we? So we finished Agnisar. Now let's do Vahi. Pranayam or the throat once. So which is, so breathing through your throat, yeah? Still air goes through your nostrils, but now chin on your chest. Bring your neck up, breathe out through your left nostril. Ujjayi Pranayam. So you're breathing through your throat, your chin is on the chest, feel the vibrations, or fill your lung up, then close your right nostril with your right thumb and breathe out to the left nostril with your neck up. One more time, Ujjayi Pranayam. So you can feel the vibrations and the frequencies, the energy that I was talking about. Ujjayi Pranayam at least makes you feel it. Others are more subtle. So as I keep saying, you can't even hear your heartbeat until you get a stethoscope or something. So many things happen inside we don't know, and for good reasons we are not aware, because we'll be too distracted and things. So it's actually for our good that we don't need to actually be completely aware of it, but it doesn't mean that we should not understand. So now we'll do Kapalbhati. As I say every week, Kapalbhati is one of the most helpful breathing exercises, Pran Kriya. And for that, it's an exhalation exercise. So we breathe out, we push the belly button in as we breathe out. A vacuum is created, inspiration happens automatically. So you don't focus on inhalation, just on exhalation. So breathe out, breathe out. And now you know you've been with me for a while, so you can actually inside you recite the prana mantra. Om Bhu, Om Bhva, Om Swaha, Om Maha, Om Jana, Om Tapa, Om Satyam, Om Jnanam, Om Anantam, Om Brahm. So you can do. So just keep your mind focused, so you are actually in a way meditating as well with the Kapalbhati. So that's for people who don't just want to focus. So you can, if it's too painful, again, use your hands on the back to support you. Or if you can sit like this, sit. So let's do it for, say, few minutes, 5 minutes or something. In that time, you start sweating, and then we can stop. Yeah. Okay, so Kapalbhati is good to do for a few minutes. It's very nice. Exercise-wise as well, your tummy your gets physically being pressured around as well. Plus the inner system that gets stimulated. So Kapalbhati. Now after Kapalbhati, we do what's called Bahi Kumbhak. So we do Abhyantar Vritti, deep breath in, Bahi breath in, deep breath out. When we breath out, hold it. It's called Kumbhak. So when you hold it in Kumbhak, you can then put your chin on your chest and Mulban, Jalandhar Udan. So all the orifices in your bodies are closed. Your mind is completely that time. You'll know what you feel yourself. When you can't hold anymore, breathe in. As you breathe in, feel it. The energy, the strength that you are getting will radiate through you, feel inside, refreshing, charging your body. So again, Abhyantar, nice and deep, long breath in. Vayu, breathe in, nice and long out. Then hold it. Be mindful. Be in the present. So if you are in the present, your future will be better. There's no point worrying about the future, it only gives you anxiety. There's no point worrying about the past, it gives you depression. If you live your moment properly now, in the moment, then your past becomes good and the future becomes better as well. So why keep worrying what you can't even change? You plan for the future by being in this moment. But doing the other way around is just hurting your body. Abhyantar Vritti, Bahi. Breath is prana, it's a Shakti. There's so much more energy comes from proper breathing. If you start replacing with food, you'll become too fat. Or by drinking, you'll destroy your body. That's Abhyan, Vahi Kumbhak. So we combine with Abhyantar, Vahi Vritti, and Vahi Kumbhak. So you cut out your 60, 70,000 thoughts now to very minimal thoughts now already. Now we'll do some more. Few more breathing exercise, 2 more, and then we go into meditative. By then, almost every thought is still now in yourself. So we do what's called Anulom, Bilom. So alternate nasal breathing. We start from the left, out to the right, into the right, out to the left, into the left, out to the right, into the right, out to the left. Now we'll do Nadi Shodhan. Same routine, but no sound. Okay, so very concentrated. Into the left, hold it for as long as you can. Out to the right, hold it as long as you can. Into the right, hold it as long as you can. Out to the left, hold it. Into the left, hold it. Out to the right, hold it. Into the right, out to the left. Nadi, Yo 72,000, inner subtle channeling system of the body. Shrodhan, cleansing. Now Udgit, sit straight, close your eyes. Om. तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। हे परमपिता परमात्मा, हम अपने विभिन्न दुखों की निवृत्ति के लिए और आपके पूर्ण आनंद की प्राप्ति के लिए अपने पूर्ण शक्ति से आपके शरण में आए हैं। आप कृपया करके हमारे संपूर्ण दुखों को दूर करके हमें पूर्ण आनंद की प्राप्ति कराइए और आपकी कृपा हमारे ऊपर सदा बनी रहे। O God, give of life, remove of pains and sorrows, bestow of happiness, create of universe, thou art most luminous, pure and adorable. We meditate on thee, please inspire and guide our intellect in the right direction. Pratihara. Remind yourself who you are, what we talked through in Yoga Nidra. I am Shuddha Atma, a Chetan Swarupa. I'm not this body, I'm not this mind, I'm not this thought, I'm not this emotions. The body keeps changing, emotions keep changing, thoughts keep changing, but I never change. I'm the divine, I'm the soul, I'm the prana, I'm the life flow, I'm part and part of the entire creation. Introspection, dissociation, pratihara. मैं शुद्ध आत्मा, मैं 5 तन मात्राएं, 5 महाभूत, 10 इंद्रियां, चित्त मन अहंकार बुद्धि कुछ नहीं, मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूं, मैं चेतन स्वरूप। धारणा, कंसंट्रेशन, ध्यान, मेडिटेशन, समाधि, blissfulness. It's a continuous process. It's not separated. If you can concentrate for a few minutes, it will lead into you meditation. And if you can maintain meditation, then for some momentarily, you'll feel blissfulness. If you keep practicing, then you can do it, feel, and you can be in that energy and vibration all the time. The primordial sound, the energy, the nuclear fission in the sun, the sound in the space beyond. focus. That's the closest or the most furthest a human mind capacity can be there for the form of the creator, which is really beyond comprehension, that energy form. Ooh. So focus on the qualities: omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, almighty, the giver of all, creator of all, maintainer, destroyer, the cyclic nature, the processes that we talked through. Ooh. From eternity, they'll keep showering your blessings on all of us. All desires of living beings are always fulfilled. Whatever is good and beneficial for us, you've provided us without asking even. May we have complete focus, may we have the intelligence, may we be able to live like a lotus flower, enjoy the material creation, but be above and beyond it. Remove the narrow-mindedness, the superficial nature of us, lust, anger, jealousy, hatred, violence, ill will, negativities. The second quality, the all protector at every plane of living, Adi Daivik, Adi Bhautik, Adhyatmik, Prithvi Lok, Vanaspati, Devalok. The sheath, nothing is random, nothing is coincidental. It's all synchronicity of the universe. There's meaning behind everything. There's energy involved. We haven't been able to actually understand each of those five senses properly. If you develop them, your vision, what's called divine vision, divine hearing capability, divine touch. And animals teach us, oh, the creator is given in some forms for us to learn how a dog can smell, how elephant can hear, how a far bird can see. It's all there for us to learn from if we forget. These senses are there. But because you have the freedom, humans are democratic, you have the right to either know or not to know. The choice, the freedom is even more harder than. Where we acquire virtuous qualities, forgiveness, simplicity, stability, fearlessness, humbleness, may all good emotions be our possession, may our body be healthy and strong, mind pure and enlightened, soul divine and superb. Through your blessings, may all our senses be enlightened. May our heart have compassion and sympathy. May our words be amiable and soft and have empathy. May our vision have love for entire creation. May we have complete knowledge and wisdom. May our personality be virtuous and great. दीनात दिनों के मध्य में विचरने वाले ईश्वर, आपके चरणान बिंदियों में हमारा जीवन अर्पित हो, इसे अपने सेवा में लेके कृतार्थ करे ईश्वर, कृतार्थ करे. May we be blessed. Gracious soul, energy giver, the consciousness. Shuddhamasi, Buddhamasi, Muktamasi, Niranjanamasi. All pure, perfect and complete. We acquire for perfection. Om Tattvamasi Aham Brahma Jaisi. Like that Khal Brahma, Kham Brahma, like that creator, that energy, the infinite consciousness, our limited consciousness. Atma Alpaj hai. Paramatma Sarvaj hai. Atma is limited to the body. Through the cycle of karma, it's limited. It has to go through all these pains and whatever positive thing that happens. But Paramatma, that infinite consciousness, is beyond everything. So the human life, that's why it's called. Its purpose is being linking this component into the larger. Doesn't mean it becomes there, but it has then the quality or the blessings of that quality when you actually break the cycle of hindrance and repetition in your life. Tattvamasyam Brahmaja Sachidanand Sankalp Mokshu Shakti Ritam. Tapasya, Tyag, discipline is the path. Vairag, discriminatory power, acquire. Then you can understand the tamasic inertia, that why we are always sleepy or negative inertia will be removed. Then you balance your rajasic sthiti, where the karma becomes nishkam, like you do it for the purpose with the best of ability, for the goodness of everyone, without expectations, without thank you, without reward. Then it takes you to that component that I described, Karan component, where the sanskar impressions are the dust sitting on it, and you can't bring this component with the alpaj or limited to merge with the infinite component. Our practice, we all can. It is possible. And these qualities are अविद्या, अस्मिता, राग, द्वेष, अग्निवेश, मृत्यु का भय, उल्टा ज्ञान लगाओ, बदले की भावना, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मदा, माया, मत्सर्य. Negativity is jealousy, hatred, violence, ill will, all these components. So the intelligence of it will help you balance Rajasic, Tamasic, all these status that were Vata, Pitta, Kapha inside the body. You Shabd, Bani, we have a Sankalp, Dhyan. You acquire Jnana or knowledge. An, Jal, Agni. The space itself, Pran. Jagrit Sti, Swapn, Shishupti, Turiya, Turiya Tat, Bhargav, Bhargav, Chetana. The states of your mind goes to sleep and all these things. The sheets of your body, Anmaya Kosh, Manmaya, Pranmaya, Vijnana, Anandmaya Kosh. You separate yourself from all these attachment, Lokeshna, Uteshna, Viteshna, and you know how to live with your friends and enemies as well. Maitri Bhav, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshna. Acquire the first two principles of yoga, Yam, Ahimsa, Satya, Astya, Brahmacharya, Pigra. Second one, Niyam, Sauch, Santosh, Tapasya, Swadhyaya, Ishwar Pranidhan. In the 8 stages that we are going through, it becomes fulfilled. Then you get what's called Ekagras, the cervical se Sarvicha, Nervis se Sarvis se Nirvis, Sargun se Nirgun, Sanat, Shushmita, Kaivalya, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi, Dharam, Lakshana, Avastha. Then you can feel the presence of this siddhi is called Anima, Mahima, Garima, Narima, Mahima, Prajapti, Prapti, Pakamya, Istiva, Vistava. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Ananda Om Ananda Om Ananda मंत्र चिकित्सा। ओम तच्चक्षुर्देहितं पुरुषाच्युकृत मुचरत पश्येम शरदा शतम जीवेम शरदा शतम शृणुयाम शरदा शतम प्रपदिना प्रप्रदाम दिना। ओम तच्चक्षुर्देहितं पुरुषाच्युकृत मुचरत पश्येम शरदा शतम जीवेम शरदा शतम शृणुयाम शरदा शतम प्रपदाम शरदा शताम दीन श्याम शरदा शतात भुश्चम शरदा शतात यज्जागतो दूर्मदैवितिं दैवितं दूरमं ज्योतिषां ज्योतिरीकं तन्मे मनासु संकल्पमस्तु। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनां मृत्युर्मुक्षमामृतात्। ॐ तेजोमसि तेजोमहि देहि ॐ बलमसि बलमहि देहि ॐ ओजोमसि ओजोमहि देहि ॐ वीरमसि वीरमहि देहि ॐ सहोमसि सहोमहि देहि। ॐ तमेव माच पिता तमेव बन्धु सखा तमेव विद्याधरिणं तमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा। ॐ विश्वानि देव सवितर्दतानि पराशुवा यद्भद्रं तन्नाशुवा। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भा समवर्तताग्रे भूतस्य जाता पतिरेक्याशु तदा धारे पृथिवीं द्यामुते मा कृष्मै देवाय हविषाभिधेम। पुण्यात्मदा बलदा यस्य विश्वोपास्ति पश्चं यस्य देवा यस्य छायामृतं यस्य मृत्युः तस्मै देवाय हविषाभिधेम। भूम्या प्राणत निमिषतो महि त्वैकैन्द्रजाजगतो भाभुव यायिष्यस्य द्विपचस्पतुष्पदा तस्मै देवाय हविषाभिधेम। येन देवरुद्रापितविचदिरा येन स्वासवितं येन नाकायोऽन्तरिक्षे राजसो विमाना तस्मै देवाय हविषाभिधेमम्। ॐ प्रजापतिनक्रीतानन्ये विश्वाजातानि परिता भाकुः यत्कामास्ते जहुमस्तन्नो अस्तु वयं शामुपतरोरहिणाम्। ॐ सन्नो वन्द्रजनिता सविदाता धामानि वेदभुवनानि विश्वा यत्र देवामृतमानुषान्नाशशित्रिये धामन्न धैर्यन्त। ॐ अग्निनये सुपतारा अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् यदस्मज्जौरान्मेनो भूशान्ते नमोक्तिं विधेम। ॐ नमो शम्भवाय च नमो भवाय च नमः शंकराय च मस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवचराय च। ॐ शन्नो मित्रा शन्वरुणा शन्नो भर्गो अरिमा शन्नो बृहस्पते शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमा। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्तवाय तमुपरीक्षं ब्रह्मादि तमुपरीक्षं ब्रह्मादिस्वामी रिक्तं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्ममोतु तद्भाक्तरामोतु औतु मामोतु भाक्तराम्। ॐ शन्नो देवीरभिष्टया आपो भवन्तु पीतये। ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो बृहद्देवाशा स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नष्टाशर्यो अरिष्ठनेमि स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु नः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ दीनातक्तेन भुचिन्ता ॐ यथा पिण्डे तथा ब्रह्माण्डे यथा पिण्डे। ॐ कुर्निर्विवाहि कर्माणि निजे विषेतां समा यो त्वयेति नान्यतिथि अस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नवे। ॐ अस्तु मा सत्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युमा अमृतं गमय। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय Purnamivavashishyati. 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 Om Dev Shanti Antariksha Shanti. Prithvi Shanti Rapa Shanti Roshadhaya Shanti Vanaspati Shanti Vishwe Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvegum Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Shama Shanti Redhi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Rub your palms nicely. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your two fingers on your eyes. The thumb on your ear traders. Close it. The rest on your lips. We use our nose and we said Brahmani 3 times. Om with a, which is the sounds all inside you. Om. Slowly open your heart and look inside and say Karagasya Vaste Lakshmi Karmadde Saraswati Karmule Tu Govinda Prabhavate Karadarshana. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. परमात्मा की कृपा बनी रहे जी. आप सभी को धन्यवाद. Hello, how are you, Vijay? How are you going? Nice.
Thank you, Raghava. So as usual, recharging battery on Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is the day to charge. So whole week we can do whatever we want. Sunday charge.
Yeah.
And
the last 2 weeks, it had been quite, like rainy and all. So now it's fresh again, back to our as usual routines from Monday.
Yes, I know it's going back now, so it's good. I guess we can keep doing it. I'm happy you appreciate the goodness of it. The problem is most people don't have the mindset to be disciplined. And everybody wants magic within minutes, yeah, but it takes
time. That's right.
So it's a long term. To acquire something really great, it requires much more longer time of sacrifice. But most people actually they want very short, and that's why I feel a bit sorry for people. But if whoever persists, actually they will acquire. That's the thing about it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is the main thing. And repetition in goodness is the thing. But no, I'm happy. Some people join. At least I can share whatever I have. Is the main reason to do this thing. Have a good week.
Yeah. You too, and have a nice day as well.
Yes.
Thank you, Raghav. Yeah.
Nice day. Yeah. Thank you.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते जी. नमस्ते. तुम okay, sir?
एकदम अच्छा जी.
अच्छा. So, if you want to drop in, I'll be around today, so I can bring the paper and things, and Krishna can come if you.
अच्छा. I've got what you call a CD, ना? CD के I'm getting Prashant to make a copy of that one, ना? So
okay. Yeah, whenever you can.
So we'll make the. We'll come today sometimes here.
That's okay. Okay.
अच्छा.
ठीक.
अच्छा.
नमस्ते.